time to play the game.
Gonna get some
Gamer juice.
Gamer juice. Gamer juice. Gamer juice.
Oh, it's awful. I love it. Today we've got a few boxes of Yu-Gi-Oh cards to unbox. You remember Yu-Gi-Oh, don't you?
Yes.
It's that card game where people go to hell or something.
The banished
And there's
zone.
a guy whose head looks like a
Dark
literal
place.
knob head.
Oh yes.
Then there's a pharaoh, and he's inside a little boy.
What?
And then there's a Japanese kid, but his name's Joey, and he talks like, "Hey, forget about it, pizza pasta."
pasta.
It's time to teach you a thing or two.
Hey Yugs! Yugi, your grandpa's hat!
So we got, for the 25th anniversary this year, they've done reprints of a lot of the old sets. Yeah, and I bought a lot of boxes, so we're going to open them to validate my bad financial decisions.
Hopefully there's a reason for the financial decision inside
Oh,
them.
I hope and I make my money back. I won't. I know I won't. My hopes are low, but...
As long as you believe in the heart of the cards, it's fine.
Joey's name in Japanese was Jonoichi. So you can see where that came
I
from.
can
But
see that.
Tristan's was something like Honda. His name's Honda.
And they went with Tristan.
And they changed it to Tristan. It's like, where did you get that from? Hey, watch this, watch this, watch this.
Found it.
Up,
Yeah.
up. Hey, oh fuck.
Here we
Hey.
Hey.
Okay, what do we got here? We got Mafini.
That guy.
Got Ancient Elf.
Elves.
We'll go through all these cards individually. I feel like that will get really boring.
Yeah.
We got a Shadow Ghoul. I remember this fucker. That's
Yes.
one of Pegasus. Ah, fuck. The Illusional Fistus, the mine. He's got many hands and many heads. Enough heads to give heads.
Enough heads to please an orgy.
That's just a fish. Deep sea shark.
Mask of Darkness?
Oh, I love a bit of darkness.
I don't see how it's a mask. I don't really like...
That is a mask. Come on, that's...
No, is it? Is it the side of a mask?
Alright, I don't understand what's going on there. I understand this. I understand this part.
Yeah.
That's obviously the mask, but what is... That's not ribbon. That's like part of
Oh,
the...
yeah, that's part of the mask.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But no, what was the card? Mine, I got the
You're looking for
summoning.
Hungry Burger.
Hungry Burger.
Hungry Burger is what we're after. That'll be in that box.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what that is. Empress Judge.
Empress Judge.
What's she do? Queen's... Oh, it's just a fusion. It's a blue dragon.
I always thought he looked like a... Do you know what Dragonite is in Pokemon?
Yeah.
That's what he kind of looks like.
That's a good one.
I don't know.
That's classic. That's
Who's that?
Joey's. That's the Joey card.
I don't remember much of Joey's cards.
It's from episode 1.
The fuck is this? What the...
Hoshin...
星人間
Flashlight.
I was just gonna see the Glock.
Glock 9000. It's a fly with a sword.
I mean, bear.
Rabid Horseman. Smash? Wood?
Smash wood.
Wood.
Yeah. Yes.
Baby Dragon.
Yeah, no,
Baby
that one's a
Dragon.
good one.
That's a good one. It's a magician in a Beyblade.
I was about to say, is he a fucking Beyblade or like?
Have you seen this many packs in person?
No, I've not.
Part of me
even,
wants
like,
to open all the
all
boxes
of
and
them
just
at once.
throw them on the...
Another ancient elf. Destroyer Golem.
Hold it up to the camera.
Okay,
While I was fixing the camera, this fucker pulled out a
This one.
1000 dragon. Can I
hell yeah.
focus it?
Here we go. You may open
And there's
them.
only one. See the secret wares? There's
Yeah.
only one of them per box.
Oh,
So,
serious?
Like, yeah, so like that's the one we got for this one. Harpy lady, we got a harpy.
Ew.
They censored her titties in the original one.
Yeah.
Her titties were out.
Fucking bring him out.
Bring him out. Get
Bring
him
him out now.
Bring him back out.
Whack him out. Yo, this guy got fucking tongue game. This guy do all mad shit.
Wood.
What about Cybersaurus?
They had to change the gun and make it like colored.
Why was it not colored before Cybersaurus?
Yeah, no, it was like it was a gun. It was gun grey, but they had to change it to make it look like a toy.
Princess of Sugari?
I've never seen that card in my life.
Jinzo. Little...
Jinzo's 7?
Why was Jinzo?
Jinzo's the guy in like the gimp suit.
Fuck.
He's like bald.
Wood.
You know who I'm talking about?
I know you're on about
like,
Wood.
the fuck is that? Gucci.
That's like something that would like run after to suck your dick, but you'd be trying to beat it off.
I wanna suck your dick. I wanna suck your dick, boy.
Oh, Starboy. Starboy. I've been feeling like a starboy.
Bottom dweller.
Bro, that's what you can call me.
Oh, it's the fucking
Yes.
fat bird.
This is the dude, like.
Can't
Oh,
bet you
bro, I'm
are.
so stuffed. Thing. Oh, musician king. It's kind of cool.
He's a rocker.
He likes.
He's a fusion.
I bet he likes
What are you
Oasis.
fusing
Witch of the Black Forest and Lady of Faith.
with? Have we got either of those?
Not yet, I don't think. Shadow Ghoul. Right, where's the Shadow Ghoul, pal? So whenever he, right, do the way the manga wasn't it didn't start off to be a card game.
Yeah.
Did he just do that and then the editors were like, keep doing
Oh, they got
this?
loads of letters. Be like, I want to play the game. And they're like, oh, okay.
I wish he wanted
I
to
guess
like,
our death game manga is now about cards. Feral Imp, Lava Battle Guard.
Lava
Wood.
Battle Guard.
Ah!
Wood.
Kiss.
Blast Jugular? What? Oh, Blast
What?
Jugular? I said Jugular?
Another shiny.
Yay!
Tribute to the Doom. Look at your pile of cards. It's all neat. Oh, Cocoon of Evolution. Weevil.
Oh shit! Yes.
The wee green boy where he's like, Weevil!
Fuck it.
Let me show me your zodiac cards! I just wanna touch him! I don't wanna touch him! I don't wanna touch him! I'm gonna throw him off the boat! Look, I will never eat these! I will never throw it off the boat! Psych! You fucking idiot! You fuck! Of course I threw it over the boat! Oh shit, I got Great Moth. That's...
Ew.
I think that's something you can do
Something with.
with.
Ew.
Shiny!
Yes.
Shiny Karibo!
The G.
Oh, that one might be worth something. Box 1, Metal Raiders, done.
Complete. What's it? Oh, so what are these ones called?
Spell Ruler, but when they first came out, they were called Magic Ruler.
Any reason, or was it just they
Magic
just
the
did?
Gathering. We're going to sue them.
All right.
Okay.
I have faith.
You having fun? Are you entertained? Probably not. I think if someone's used to Yu-Gi-Oh opening videos, they'll be like, this is one of the worst things I've ever seen. This is the worst Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening I've ever seen.
Yeah,
Can't
well,
even see the cards.
you're-
We're sorry, we
Yeah.
have one camera.
Yeah, you big dork.
You big nerd.
Fucking watching YouTube for Yu-Gi-Oh.
Why would you...
You watching Yu-Gi-Oh videos?
Watching Yu-Gi-Oh? You're watching... Who would waste money on Yu-Gi-Oh cards?
Yeah.
Anyway,
fucking
I'm gonna open
come on.
this.
Yo, I do not like this.
I don't like this.
This is like Mike Wazowski got hot, and I don't like it. Heroes Shadow Scout, I don't like that.
Tomato.
Tomato time.
Tomato.
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 Tomato. Tomato.
Tomato. Tobacco.
Tobacco.
Tobacco?
Dark Witch.
Shining Angel. Shining Angel and Dark,
Dark
Witch
Witch.
should get together.
Oh, fuck yeah. Dark Zebra.
I got you beat. Penguin Knight.
Show me it. Show me it. Alright, bro, yeah. Yeah, okay, you win that one, like.
What the fuck? Weather report.
What? Oh, who's that? Red Archery Girl.
Oh, that's Pegasus.
Yeah, look at
It's literally just a peacock.
that. Here you go, look at that. Look at that.
It's literally just a wall.
Hopefully someone's
Griggle.
got it. Karate Man.
Giant rat. Sonic Bird.
I got a shiny. Invader of the Throne.
I've seen that before. Griggle.
Hio Zanryu.
Electric Snake.
Yo.
Oh, I got a shiny, and it's an axe.
Yo.
Axe of Despair. Kill me.
Griggle. Twin long rods. That's what you could call us.
When you were playing Yu-Gi-Oh in school, did you play by the rules?
Did well at that point did anybody play the rules of the game? Because what were the rules of the game?
No one read the little handbook you got with the deck.
No. It was too many words.
Too many words.
But then
Too confusing.
Also,
Hungry Burger.
yes, Hungry Burger. Don't want to get you too excited about this one, right? Because it's a pretty fucking sick pull, to be honest, right?
Right. Is it Hungry Burger?
No, could you imagine that'd be fucking even better if it was. Blue Eyes Toon Dragon.
£32,
Ooh.
£27, £30, £47. What happened?
Where?
That's Spell Ruler, everybody. Alright, this is the OG. This is the first ever box. Getting good shit from this box is fucking...
Hard.
We're probably not going to get anything good from this one. But we'll get a lot of ones we recognise.
Yo, I'm down with that.
I'll be happy with the Pot of Greed.
I'd be happy. I want a fucking Dark Magician, but like the OG design of Dark
Oh no,
Magician.
it'll be that one.
Why?
Because you got the other one.
Mm.
It'll be the second art. I'll have them up on screen. The first one came with the starter deck,
Yeah.
and then the other one was harder to find because you can only get it through this. Oh, I got shiny already. Polymer.
Yeah, Palmer's is. That's pretty good.
Look how basic these are. Bug insect, dark grey, and it's just a goat with some wings.
P-Tit Dragon.
Pete.
He's fucking cute. I'll give him that. He's a nice wee smile.
Cute wee dragon.
Stop the fence. Oh shit! The shiny flaming swordsman.
Ooh, that boy might be valuable.
That cool.
I
That
don't
cool.
think we're gonna get blue eyes, guys.
I would if it happened. Hard armor. That's my dick.
Beaver warrior, beaver warrior.
Turtle tiger.
That's so ugly.
I know that. That's
Idiot.
in terms of like actual just design. That's shit.
Arabe is just a dinosaur. I'm trying to open this. It's not going to plan.
It's not going to plan. It's not working out. Just a minute.
It's not going to plan.
It's not quite going to the plan of life.
When Gotham is in ashes, then you have my permission to die.
Ashes.
What was that voice? This is nothing to do with Yukio, but what was Tom Hardy's Bane voice? What was he going for there?
Mr. Batman.
Batman.
Do you like the Queen?
I was born in the dark.
You merely adopted it, Batman.
I was molded by it.
Yeah, I don't. But whose idea was it? Was it his or was it Christopher Nolan's?
Dragon Capture Jar. I recognize that one. I have no idea whose
Hot-
idea it was.
Is this a hot take or not? Is Christopher Nolan the worst thing to happen to DC comic book films?
No, Zack Snyder's.
Oh, oh. But if there was no Christopher Nolan, would we have had Zack Snyder?
Christopher Nolan's the worst thing to happen to Batman.
Yeah.
No, Zack
No.
Snyder still. Never mind. I take that back. I got Forest.
Ew.
It's literally a forest.
I got Flower Wolf. It's literally a flower wolf.
I got... What the fuck?
I don't know. Mystical sheep. Is that familiar?
What the fuck? No. Number 2. Electro Whip Kinky.
Show me. Fair enough.
You can add electric play to your BDSM session. Silver Fang, that's an OG.
I got Flame Manipulator and he looks like that Arthur meme where he's like grasping his fist. Oh shit! Exodia, the head part. I seen it too.
Got the wanking arm of the
We've got that
forbidden
fucking-
one.
We've got the head and the arm.
Oh shit.
Oh, I love this.
I
Okay,
got Succubus.
show me that. Show me that right
Straight
now.
up
Show me that.
Succubus Knight.
Yeah, fucking right.
Reaper of the Cards. That was pretty cool.
Show me.
It's just death.
Oh no, yeah, no, that one's good. Sometimes the simple design really pops off.
Yeah. That is just a lump of shit.
Yeah.
Dissolve a rock.
Oh!
What's the number on Celtic Guardian?
So he's a OG.
That's an OG.
That's an OG.
Went a bit overboard on the Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I've never seen this many facts in one spot. So we'll go through the shiny cards and see what's worth what, and I will put it up on screen.
Yeah. Take a guess right now.
Right now?
Yeah. 78. 30.
78?
78.
78. No, I'm gonna go 47.
That makes me want to go down. Right, you're saying 47?
Yep, 47.
54.
54, okay. And the answer is...
I know marijuana is harmful. I know it can't improve my game. My friends and I have faced many battles, and we have always dueled without drugs. I wouldn't be the world's best duelist if I smoked marijuana. It would disappoint my friends and lower my concentration. And losing control with drugs is one duel I don't want to have. I must stay healthy and keep my friends close if I want to defeat my opponent's monsters. I will never dishonor myself or my friends by using drugs. That's playing a game I can't win. Honor, my anti-drug.